So this is the 50 amp circuit analyzer, surge protector, if you will. It's an RV surge protector, and that is your rain guard. So this is obviously not 50 amp, this is a 30 amp. I do not have a 50 amp to be able to show you this is actually being used, but what I can do is I can show you how it hooks up. So your 50 amp would be coming off of your camper. You would simply plug your 50 amp into the surge protector, and then you'll run this into your post at the campsite. That now gives you a 50 amp protection for your larger RVs. To show you the lights on here, you'll see it has the L1, L2, has your circuit analyzer, and then a breakdown of all your lights as they power up. So you have your power on, open, neutral, open ground, missing L1, missing L2, L1 and neutral reversed, L2 and neutral reversed, or no power, and your lights will light up accordingly with the RV surge protector. So if you have a 50 amp that you need to power, this RV surge protector will do exactly what you're looking for. Like I said, this is not a 50 amp, so I can't actually show it powered in, but just so you are aware, I do use the 30 amp. I have the 30 amp protector for the pop-up camper, and so this is the one that I use. We have the 50 amp as well. So you do have both options, but the 50 amp for your larger vehicles.